Today we're going to be taking a look at the best trailer hitch options for your 2008 Subaru Tribeca. Here on your right side we're going to have the Curt, part number C13046. Here on your left we're going to have the Draw-Tite, part number 75401. Now these two hitches are very similar. There's two differences between these two hitches. One of them is going to be a matter of personal opinion. The other one is actually going to be a difference between the two. The first is going to be this collar here. This is going to be, you're going to have a collar on both of them. This one on the Draw-Tite is going to be a little bit more rounded. It's going to be a little bit thicker. Where on our Curt, it's got more of a flat front and it's not quite as thick. Now, this does give you a little bit of extra stability on your receiver tube. However, it's not changing the functionality of the hitch itself. The other difference is going to be this hole right here. On our Draw-Tite, we're going to have this extra hole. This is for a J-pin stabilization device. What the J-pin does is it takes any shake and play out of any of your hitch mount accessories. Your Curt is not going to offer that option. Now, that being said, you can purchase locking devices for the hitch pin hole on the Curt. Now let's go over some of the similarities. Everything's pretty much identical with these two hitches. The installation is going to be exactly the same. They're going to use the same holes in the frame and in the bumper beam. The only difference between them is going to be the hardware. With our Draw-Tite, the hardware is just a little bit different. However, they do install exactly the same places. They're both going to be 2" by 2" receiver tube openings. Both hitch pin holes are going to be 5/8 inch in diameter. Both are going to have rolled steel style safety chain loops to give you plenty of room for different size hooks. Both of these hitches are also going to have a nice black powder coat finish that's going to resist any rust or corrosion. As far as our weight capacities go, weight capacities are going to be exactly the same also. 350-pound max tongue weight, which is a downward pressure on the inside of the receiver tube. And both are going to have a 3,500-pound max towing weight, which is how much the hitch can pull. You can use weight distribution with both of these hitches. Tongue weight's going to go up to 400. Trailer weight's going to go up to 4,000. Keep in mind the trailer weight is the trailer plus the load included. I always recommend checking the owner's manual to make sure the vehicle can withstand that amount of weight. You're going to go with the lowest number between the vehicle and the hitch. As far as versatility, I'm going to also have to go with the Draw-Tite for the J-pin stabilization device option. For my personal opinion, due to the ease of installation and the option for the J-pin, I'm going to have to go with the Draw-Tite. That'll do it for a look at the best trailer hitch options for your Subaru Tribeca.